Just ran this like triple combo thing behind me. We couldn't barely see from the top. It was kind of like, we think it's good to go, but not quite sure. But as you can tell, we are in the jungle, and scouting / walking around is quite tricky. But yeah, walked it all good. Some massive boops, great skips, and that was awesome. Just leaving the gorge now. The riverbed is opening up a bit more. Look at this beautiful piece of nature. That is so awesome. So now we got a little... Fairly flat paddle out. Let's see what's here waiting downstream for us, but so far so good.